Hey there, I'm Dr. Joe. I'm the chiropractor and also co-founder of Power Performance and Healthcare, and today we're going to go through what entails in a chiropractic adjustment. So today we've got Umar Sadiq, professional boxer, also known as Top Boxer Sadiq. No, it's not Top Boxer Sadiq, is it? Cut that bit. What is
It
it?
is.
It's just Top Boxer
Sadiq.
TV.
I told you, trust yourself.
He recently fought for a world title out in Russia against Fedor Chudinov and should have won it in my opinion. And today it's our first adjustment back since being out of camp, and we're going to assess completely from top to toe, see how he's firing on a neurological basis and get him adjusted. And this side here. Okay. Laying yourself facing this way. I'm trying to become successful YouTuber. Ooh. And then the other side. Over here. Hold it there, push up. And relax, left leg. Push up. Right leg again, big leg. Push up. Push up. That's on here. Make your fist. Right from down and up. Pull up. On the arm up here. Up. That's all there. The right leg straight lifted up, back down, and the left leg. Right leg straight lifted up, down, and again, and again. Push. So hold it, lift it up and push. Push into the hand. Push up. And the right leg. And push up. I push down, you push up. 3, 2, 1, push. And just check the right side. And push. Right. Arm up again. I push down. Perfect. Relax. Deep breath in and out. And take your seat.
That was good.
Was that one tender?
Yes, even on the last one, it wasn't like that. It all comes in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make a fist, face it forwards. Now bring the arm towards me. All the way back. Now. Better, worse, no different.
Better.
Push up.
Better.
Now just relax this. Bring this arm off the head. So, repeat that.
Oh, so much better.
Just with this gap, alright? Just going the arm up, but really just concentrate on that movement here. So palm up,
Yeah.
and just slowly.
Okay.
Just that little movement. And again, bring this arm here, push up. Like that.
That's good.
Nice. Arm up here. Next push.
It's good. Just muscles fatigue, but yeah, it's good.
Small tendons here.
No, but actually, it's a tiny bit. Yeah.
Palm up. Turn the elbows. So just kind of right to left.
fine. Just it feels a little bit tight here, but otherwise I'm fine.
Okay, good. Lay on your back face up. Move the arm.
Yeah, I should release it a bit.
Still ongoing.
It's like 30% what it was.
Okay, so still got 70% to go.
No, 30% to go. Yeah, 7% up.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Sweet. That's fine. Thank you very much.
So that was our adjustment with Umar Sadiq, assessing top to toe from the pelvis all the way to the cervical spine, and then a few little muscle releases on top of that. We utilise a lot of manual muscle testing to try and identify areas of the spine that are firing and not, and then just general palpation and a few other bits. Hopefully that was helpful and informative.